Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Alexa to control garage door opener with myQ. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have a compatible garage door opener installed. Check that your garage door opener is myQ enabled or compatible with myQ technology. Download the myQ app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts in the app to connect your garage door opener to your myQ account. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your myQ device will use. Once the setup is complete, look for the Alexa app on your smartphone and open it. In the Alexa app, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type myQ and tap on the myQ skill when it appears in the results. Tap Enable to enable the myQ skill. You'll be prompted to log in with your myQ account credentials. Enter your username and password, then tap Link Accounts. Once your accounts are linked, return to the Alexa app's main menu. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the plus icon to select Add Device from the menu. Choose Garage Door from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to discover your myQ garage door opener. Once discovered, you can name your garage door for easier voice control. To test the setup, use a voice command like Alexa, open my garage door. Verify that the command successfully opens or closes your garage door. If you experience any issues, double-check your Wi-Fi connection and myQ account settings. Ensure that your Alexa device is updated to the latest version. That's it. Your Alexa is now set up to control your garage door opener with myQ. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.